If you want to change the application mode, first open the menu and choose the desired menu item. In this example, we select the application mode Measuring. After confirmation, the overview of the sensors and measuring ranges appears on the display. In the application mode Measuring, the oxygen concentration is also displayed below the concentration of CH4. The symbol for the measuring application mode appears in the info area of the display. The measurement can also be recorded in this application case if required. To do this, open the measuring menu and select the corresponding option. It is also possible to temporarily set the 0 point in the measuring menu. When you leave the measuring menu, the PM580 is back in measuring mode. After the 0 points of the sensors are stable, the PM580 is ready to measure.